On a previous episode, I mentioned that over this last year, not just in America, but over all of the countries, where is the biggest podcast growth? Remember, I said that there was 5 countries that had the biggest podcast growth of any other country. One of them was China, that was the 5th biggest growing, and the other 4, I think it was Mexico, Argentina. I don't know why. Chile, Mexico, Argentina, Chile. I'm just doing this from memory, and there was one other that were the top 4 of 4, and they're all Spanish speaking. So takeaway number 3 is that today you could definitely be starting a Spanish speaking podcast because, man, there's so many people that are downloading, and these countries are growing rapidly. It's interesting. With podcast listeners have a higher income on average than other types of content. For example, like books and webinars and events and YouTube, for example. The people that are listening to podcasts have more money than the people that are watching YouTube. So if you're thinking to yourself, sounds like a lot of competition in podcasting. You said 2.7 million, 10% of them are active. Go and look at YouTube. The last time I checked, YouTube had 40 million or 60 million. It's at least 5 times more competition than it is in podcasting. So you're just way better off having a podcast. Plus, your listener base is probably going to have the money that they need in order to buy your products, your services, your courses. If you have a podcast listener, a podcast sponsor, then your listener is more likely to buy their products and make them happy. And so basically stating that the affluence, the money amount is actually higher with podcasting because it's more easily consumable. People that are in a really good position, they're the type of person that wants to be efficient, that wants to learn and grow. They know that they can be cooking, cleaning, driving, and still be able to get the content from you. So super, super interesting. They generally have more money.